So this extension is called the wire tool, and basically how it works is it's just like that piece of chain. You take a length of chain and you click it and click on your starting point, and then you move over to your end point, and it will draw a curve based on gravity. And how you tell it how big of a curve you want, you have to tell it how long of a piece of chain you are using, or how long your rope is. So if you don't want to click on the end point until you're ready to commit to your curve. So you click on the start point and then just move to your end point, but don't click. And then to adjust the size of your curve, if you wanted a, let's say a 30-inch long rope, type in 30 and hit enter, and then move your mouse again just away from the end point and move it back, and that will reset the length of rope. So there is a 30-inch long rope that started from your starting point to your ending point. So you can just keep playing with that until you get to a size you like. So let's say we had a 40-inch rope, so I'm going to type in 40 and hit enter, and then move my mouse, and it redrew it. We can go to 60, hit enter, move my mouse, and it'll redraw it. 70, enter, move my mouse, and it'll redraw it, and it'll just keep redrawing it until I get to a curve that I like. And then once I get to that curve, I just click on my end point and it will commit to that curve. And your end points don't have to be at the exact same height. So if we wanted to draw a curve based on gravity from this point to this point, you can do that as well. So they don't have to be anywhere near the same height.